There are four main stages to a Class A non-combustible fire-rated decking system. And step one is the pedestal. This is MetalPad Ex by Wallbarn, sometimes called MET-Ex. MetalPad Ex are super strong. We've had these tested with an independent testing institute, and the pedestals came out with a weight tolerance of over 5 tons per unit. If you add the spreader plate, the weight tolerance is over 7 tons. This is a decking system that we're dealing with though today. So this pedestal will connect to an aluminium rail. Don't worry about any interaction or corrosion between aluminium and steel. Remember, the Zintec 200 coating will prevent any direct contact between the steel and the aluminium. The slots in the top of this headpiece allow us to fix directly to the aluminium rail using an M8 bolt and a butterfly wing nut fixing, and it's done by hand through this slot. See these chambers on the side? These are for connecting the rails together using, again, the M8 bolt and the butterfly wing nut, and again done by hand. The top of the rail is 60 millimeters wide. It's not 30, it's not 40. We believe you really need this amount of surface area to properly fix the decking. Step 3 is the actual deck board. This is ExaDeck. This is a ceramic board with a realistic wood grain. As well as being extremely attractive, this is a super high performance product. ExaDeck has amazing scratch resistance, slip resistance. It's 26 millimeters thick and non-porous, which means it's super strong and has incredible frost resistance. It's been specially designed to fit the Wallbarn Substructure system. So you see this side milling profile here. This will fit into Wallbarn's decking clip called W-clip perfectly. ExaDeck is a rectified board. Now, what does rectified mean? It means it goes through an additional 2 processes during manufacture to make sure that it's dead flat on both planes. The sides are dead straight along the whole length of the board. There are no tolerances of 5 or 7 millimeters. You don't need a laser to keep these boards straight when installing them. They're straight. The underside of the board is also rectified. Now, why is this important? The board needs to sit dead flat onto the rail substructure. Otherwise, you're going to start to get rocking and movement over time, which will lead to instability and possibly the decking clips popping out. Step 4 is the decking fixing. This is W-clip, and this decking clip has been designed, developed and manufactured by Wallbarn. It's very substantial and it's built to last. W-clip is made from aluminium and it's electroplated and it's supplied in a black colour. Now this clip is 60 millimeters wide, so when that's placed onto our aluminium rails, it will completely cover any of the silver colour of the aluminium in between the deck boards. W-clip comes in a sort of T-shape with the side wings designed to clip tightly and securely into that side milling profile on the ExaDeck deck board. So there you have it. This is ExaDeck Class A non-combustible decking mounted onto the Wallbarn Substructure system. This is a premium quality and high performance, true non-combustible, comprehensive decking system.